Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make um a platform project. First, click create. Next, add the sprites. And I also made this, and it's not published yet. So there might be some updates because it's still in beta. Because right now I'm going to make this. When pressed down, it will attack this. And this, I'll make it follow the player. And I'm going to make it if it touches the player, it will remove one of the HP. Bruh. There you go. And let's set it to 5. There you go. So there you go. Press space to show the enemy and the player. There you go. So change Y by 10 and another 10, and then wait, 0.5 seconds, and then we're going to make it stand. Before I mean after it goes minus 10. So then point in direction 90. So let's test it, and it works perfectly. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, and it's nice. Zero point 9 seconds. Okay, let's test it again. Okay, that's nice, and it doesn't work really good. So we have to do another this. There you go. Let's test it again. Again, we have to do it. Again. That's nice. So, events. When right arrow key pressed, it must move one step. 1. Copy this and paste it by duplicating it. -1. Left arrow. There you go, and duplicate. 1. Down arrow. Key pressed. Okay, and 1 space, key pressed. So F whatever, then what it will do. So let's make it like so. It must be if key down arrow pressed and touching sprite 2, it must damage 1 health of the sprite 2. So let's add another variable which is only available to sprite 2. So let's make it like when this is 0 enemy HP, it will spawn another clone in so you can fight more. Set enemy HP to 3. So I'm using the free screen rec, so I can only use 15 minutes, so I might want to do a part 2. Ended.